Welcome to our comparison of the XFX Speedster SWFT210 and the MSI GeForce RTX 4060. Today, we'll dive into the specifications and performance of these two graphics cards, both of which are excellent choices for gamers looking for high-quality performance at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. We'll discuss their architecture, cooling solutions, and pricing to give you a comprehensive view of which card might be the best for your gaming setup. The XFX Speedster SWFT210 is built on AMD's Radeon 2 architecture, which provides solid performance for 1080p and 1440p gaming. In contrast, the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 utilizes NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, which not only enhances performance, but also offers superior ray tracing capabilities. This architectural difference is crucial for gamers who want the best visual experience in modern titles. When it comes to ray tracing, the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 excels with its advanced capabilities, allowing for realistic lighting and shadow effects in supported games. On the other hand, the XFX Speedster SWFT210 does not support ray tracing as effectively, making it less suitable for gamers who prioritize this feature. This difference can significantly impact the gaming experience, especially in visually demanding titles. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a graphics card. The XFX Speedster SWFT210 is priced at $319 United States dollars, while the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 comes in at a slightly lower price of $299 United States dollars. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for the best value for your budget. It's essential to weigh the performance benefits against the cost to find the right card for your needs. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT210 and the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 offer great performance for gamers, but they cater to different needs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for 1080p gaming, the XFX card is a solid choice. However, if you want superior performance and ray tracing capabilities, the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.